Wait. What if I told you that the Nigerian government is ready to pay you every 3 months? Will you believe it? What you only need is just 5,000 naira. No gatekeeping, no fancy herbs, no complicated steps. In this video, I am breaking down the federal government savings bond in 2025. How does it work? How much you can earn and how to get started this very month. Because very soon, the new bond for July 2025 will be out shortly. And before that comes out, these are the information you need to get started. Wherever you are saving for school, retirement, or you just feel your money is just sitting idle in your bank account, this might be the safest investment you have ever heard about. Just wait for it. With just 5,000 naira, you can lend money to the Nigerian government and get paid interest every quarterly. Very safe, backed up by the federal government of Nigeria. In today's video, I will explain exactly how the federal government savings bond works, the benefits and the risk involved. I'll also tell you how you can start investing before the next offer day. Before we continue, my name is Betty, and if you are seeing my face for the very first time, welcome to Betty Money Tips. On this channel, we talk about how to save wisely and invest smartly. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that notification button so that when any video comes out from me, you can be notified. This is not a financial advice. I will tell you to check it out with your brokers and investment managers and professionals before you take any step. But this is what I do, and that's why I brought this to your notice. So let's get started. The first part we're going to look at is, what is federal government savings bond? Federal government savings bond is a type of investment issued by the federal government of Nigeria, managed by the Debt Management Office, DMO. Basically, you are lending to the Nigerian government. Is that not wonderful? Lending your own money to the Nigerian government, and in return, they agree to pay you back with interest quarterly, every 3 months. Sure, you understand? Is that not wonderful? It's like a fixed income investment backed up by the federal government of Nigeria, which makes it one of the safest investments in Nigeria. What are the key features that you see? The visible part of it is, number one, you can start with only 5,000 naira. Yes, it's not until when you get a lump sum of money, you can start with 5,000 naira. Then there's the maximum investment is 50 million. That's for corporate organizations. But if you are the Odogu, you can pay. You can invest with such amount. And the tenor is usually 2 or 3 years. They have 2 years tenor or 3 years tenor. So you choose the tenor you want, but you still be paid quarterly in the space of that 2-year tenor or the 3 years tenor. The interest rate changes monthly. Usually it's between 16% to 20% in some months, but it changes monthly, so you cannot actually base it on a fixed interest. And then interest, like I said before, is paid quarterly to your bank account that you have already indicated when you are registering. And it is a low risk. You can do this and sleep because it is being backed by the federal government of Nigeria. Government cannot run with your money. They will print you another money. The bond is listed on the Nigerian exchange, so you can even sell it before it matures, though it's better to hold to the end so that you will not lose your interest. The other part we're going to look at is why should you invest? Yes, why should I invest? Why should you invest? Now you might be wondering, why will you choose a government bond, savings bond, over a regular savings account? Number one, you earn higher interest than savings accounts. Number two, it's the low risk. Very unlikely that the federal government will default you or run away with your money. You can get quarterly interest, not at the end of the year, but quarterly, every 3 months. Another beautiful thing is that it helps you to plan your finances better. Whether you're saving for school, rent, or retirement, this can help you grow your money with peace of mind over the years. Another thing you will look at is when and how to buy. Federal government bonds are usually offered monthly and by the Debt Management Office, DMO. When they release the offer circulation on their website, through the brokers, you can easily go there and buy. And how do you invest? You will need some things to invest, just like you invest in your regular bank account. You will need to open an account with a stockbroker or through your bank's investment portal. Number 2, you have to complete your CSCS form. That is this clearing system form where your bonds are stored. This is like your regular bank account. You'll be given a number. Then 3, you fund your account with the amount you want to invest. Maybe it's 5,000 naira, 100,000 naira, any amount you wish to invest, you fund your account. And then you now subscribe during the offer. When the offer window is open, usually Monday to Friday. I think this July one should be opening by next week, hopefully. Then once you subscribe, you will get your bond certificate immediately, and you start earning interest every 3 months. Any risk involved, there's no investment, there's no risk, but just at the level of risk is always lower or higher than the other. And this one is a very low risk. Why it is low risk is because there are still few things to consider. You may not get full value if you sell early. If you sell early, you might not get full value. Then interest rate might be lower or higher in some months because the market is volatile. Then it is not your quick reach or quick profit. It's not that you put money and you get quick profit or quick reach. It is for long-term savers. Then overall of it is that if you leave the bond till maturity, you will get your full money back plus interest. That is guaranteed, your full money back with your interest. And let's look at another part. Let's look at an example. Okay, for instance now, let's say you invest 50,000 naira in a 3-year bond at 11%. I'm just taking 11% as for the example I'm stating. Usually it's more than, I think last month was 2 years was 16 point something and 17 point something for 3 years tenure as for last month of June. So let's say for instance now we are looking at 11% as our interest rate, for example. So you invest 50,000 in a 3-year bond at 11% interest. You will earn 5,500 yearly. You now divide it into 4 parts. We say quarterly. That is 1,375 naira every quarter. Straight, that money will be paid straight to your bank account. Remember that you need to provide the bank account that dividend will be paid to. It will be paid straight to your bank account quarterly. Then after 3 years, that means the first year you get every quarter you get 1,375 naira. The second year you get every quarter 1,375 naira. The third year you also get quarterly 1,375 naira. So after 3 years, you get your full 50,000 naira back, full cash, plus you have already earned your total of 16,500 in interest over the space of the 3 years. You understand what I'm trying to explain now? So I would like you to go back over this video. If you think watching it once will not make you to understand, what are we to do now? Federal government savings bond is perfect if you are just starting your investment, if you are just a beginner in investing and you have idle money lying there in your regular savings account. So if you want to start your investment journey, federal government savings bond is a perfect for you to start your journey, and it's a stable way to grow your money very well. Do you want to know how to pick the best offer each month, or you need help in opening a bond account? Drop your questions in the comment below and I will see to it and answer it speedily. But don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the future money tips and more videos on this channel. See you in the next video where your money starts growing for you.